Hey, sweet babies.
Hey, Charlotte, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey. So, of course, with there being a global pandemic, we all should be at home. Yes? Yes, we should. With that being said, Denise, Faye in the City, and myself decided to collaborate and do a wash day with the exact same products via Zoom. I know! Every single product was a product that I've used or mentioned on my channel before that I love, but some of the products Denise or Faye haven't tried before. I picked the shampoo, Denise picked the deep conditioner, and Faye picked the leave-in and the styler. So we had a little Zoom wash day party and shared our experiences with the products.
Okay, so in case you haven't caught on, all of us are going to be using the same exact products for our wash day. So each of us chose a product that we love or that we wanted to try, and today we're going to be trying one of my favorite products, a staple, if I do say so myself. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. All of us have it. I just happen to have the original packaging because I bought it impulsively as soon as it came out. But of course they just picked it up so that way we can do this for y'all.
Never used it, and honestly I've never been a fan of Shea Moisture shampoo, so I'm interested to see what this is talking about.
Me too. And you know what, honestly, I ain't even picky about my shampoos, baby. Just don't dry my hair out. So I'm real excited to see what this gonna be like. It's real, like really loose in the bottle. So I think this gonna be good. But we shall see.
This is a staple for me, y'all. So
all right, if I don't like it, I'm coming for your neck, okay?
Okay, you know we will read a product, okay?
All right.
Y'all want to fight me? Because we like...
It's nothing, okay?
We'll wait till we use the shampoo first.
You want to fight? Social distancing. Can't throw hands from 6 feet. But I can throw some water. Let me go with this hair. Bye.
So, of course, as usual with Shea Moisture, there's no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no animal testing, and no petroleum. It's also color safe for me and Faye. Because y'all know I got my little fake peekaboo color.
That don't count. It don't count.
I got the little fake peekaboo color that y'all can't hardly see. And, I'm trying to make sure it has no silicones. I'm checking now.
I don't see nothing in and on, so I think it's cool.
Yeah, I don't see any.
It looked like it's moisturizing for real.
Because
it's real running. All right, let go. Whoa, wait a minute, but this thing that foamed up already.
It sure did. You do not need a lot.
Yeah, it got a real good foam. I mean, why am I calling it foam? It got a real good lather. Child, act like I've been somewhere before.
I like the smell too. The smell is just like clean. It ain't fruit. It ain't flowers. It ain't.
It got like
it's just a clean
faint honey to it, but it's good.
I just want to say that I haven't detangled my hair in many days, and hello.
Me either. My hair has been up in a bun for the longest, and yes, this does have some nice little slip on it to be a shampoo.
Yeah, it really does. I'm over here making a mess, child. I don't know what to do. And I ain't got nothing but like an inch of hair, no way.
Denise got shampoo in her eye.
That sure did, child.
Yeah, this is running through real good. I like this. You wanted to steal some, Alexis?
Yeah, I don't be lying.
This is one of the few natural hair products that when they say use a dime size, you can actually use a dime size.
Yeah, the lather is not a joke.
Ma'am, struggling.
She could take a bubble bath and everything with that.
Girl, I be forgetting that I'm bald-headed. And I don't be needing all this product. I be forgetting that sometimes. This is just too much.
All right, so we just gotta wait for Denise to finish up infections.
Well, you shouldn't have picked a shampoo that feel good. If it was some trash, I'd have been ready to wash it out already. That definition in them. Girl with the shampoo.
Girl, I'm excited. Okay, bye. All right, Miss Mamas. Now, I will say, I'll give you your credit. Okay, I'll give you your credit. My hair feels clean, but it doesn't feel stripped. I will say Alexis 1, everybody else 0. Denise, what you thinking?
Well, kudos to Alexis. This was a really nice shampoo. And I also noticed that it was hydrate and repair. So I was wondering, like, dang, my curls are defined. It's got that repair in there. So it definitely gave me some definition. My hair is soft, not stripped. It's moisturized. Like, girl, let me find out Alexis was holding out on us.
Okay.
See, I don't be lying to y'all most of the time.
Moving on, I picked out the deep conditioner and I picked out the Mielle Babasu Mint deep conditioner. This is a staple, oldie but goodie. Been using this since I went natural and it has never failed me. Mind you, I have not used it in a while, but I do remember that it was bomb, and I don't think one of my girls have used this before, so let's see what
that would be me. I'm new to this. I'm not true to it. I'm new to it. Now, the only Mielle I've ever used is the rosemary and mint.
This is a staple for me as well. Gives me a good boost of moisture and protein. The slip is bomb.
That
Okay,
ain't no lie.
loves it. And the mint, it feels so good on your scalp. Like, y'all know how I feel about a tingly scalp. Y'all know how I feel about that.
This was $15.99. So if I don't like it, I'll be sending cash app requests for my refund. Thank you.
I don't have cash app, so.
All right, let's go. So far, it feels good on my hair. Like, it feels like it's moisturizing, even though I just put it on. I like the slip on my fingers. I can feel it already. I mean, I know I got to see what it's like when I rinse it out, but so far, this feels good.
It's watery, but
It is runny.
yeah, it's a runny texture, but I think that's what helps it like glide through my hair so easily. Like the fact that it's not super thick.
I don't see any silicones in here. There is no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, synthetic colors, and they didn't do no animal testing either, honey. So
That's what's up.
girls out there would be all good.
I can honestly say, even though right now I can see it's just sitting on top of my hair, I'm gonna go get the Homegirl Samantha or whatever, but still, it feels really moisturizing. And that's coming from somebody who, you know, real talk, I've been real critical of my ear. And so right now, I mean, I gotta see what it's like when I'm rinsing, but I think you might have just did something.
Well, Faye is done, and Faye is going to reiterate multiple times throughout this that she's bold.
I'm
We
just saying.
had to bring a variety of links and textures to the group, honey.
With this being such a loose texture, I didn't use as much as I normally would, since I didn't have to worry about it being too thick to glide through. So I do get them points for that. I do like this.
Also, what I like about deep conditioners that are not so super thick, you will be so surprised, especially my low porosity girls, you'll be so surprised how well a looser texture deep conditioner will penetrate your strands. And girl, it'll be just so bomb. I know we'd always be like thick, but sometimes those looser ones get into them strands and they just feel amazing.
Yep, especially if you let them sit under a plastic cap or you use heat and everything like that. I feel like it sinks in a lot easier than the thicker ones.
Are we all done?
We are all done.
And I done finished my jaw, so I'm a little depressed, but it's going to be all right. I'm going to put on a plastic cap. I'm probably going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. And that's that on that.
We're going to do what it do. We'll be back. All right, y'all.
Okay.
So we rinsed out our hair, and I will honestly say, so far, Denise did her thing. With rinsing my hair, I feel so much slip, so much moisture, and I was able to fully detangle my hair without a leave-in. Like, I just ran my comb through it. That's just how much slip it had. So I can say I am now a believer in my L. Good job, Denise.
See, I'm glad my girl Faye liked it because this is definitely a staple in my regimen. If y'all look at my curls, they are popping, they are soft, they are moisturized. So, honey, this one ain't going nowhere.
And honestly, you all know I have my little fake pop of color on both sides where it's where it's bleached. So it's always good to give me a nice, healthy moisture protein balance. And that Mielle deep conditioner always does it for me. Look at come on, elasticity. Like,
Come on, elasticity.
Yes, hunty. So I'm hoping that Denise loves this one. So I'm the one that picked this leave-in. I will say now, listen to me. It is amazing. However, the smell. It is too much. Okay, so it has black cumin seed. And if you know anything about black cumin seed, black seed oil or something like that, it has a very distinct smell. However, this product is so good that I can get past the funk of 40,000 years, okay? This feels so amazing, so much slip. It has so much moisture. I learned about this because I was subscribed to Alexis and I saw her review this and I was just like, oh, let's try it. And she hit it out the park. So I know this is Denise's first time using it. I'm hoping she loves it too.
I'm definitely looking for moisture. I'm looking for a slip. I'm looking for how good it penetrates into my hair. So let's see.
It stank though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It stank. It smell bad. It's really rich though. It's a nice, rich, like super, super creamy something. But it's funky. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Yeah, that smell ain't. It ain't
death.
death.
None to play with.
It ain't death, but it's not like what you would expect from a leave-in. Like you expect your leave-in to smell good because it's left in your hair. But this one, not so much.
Yeah. And it was so shocking because y'all know how Carol's daughters, their products, if they don't do nothing else, it's gonna smell good. So it has the strong scent, but it's not as good. But I'm telling you, this is one of the most amazing leave-ins I've ever used.
I can say though, the way it's gliding into my hair, like it's gliding. It has slip, and it really feels moisturizing.
I also want to mention that this does have silicones. It does. So sorry. It's easily accessible at Target. I think it's $10.99.
But I've gotten so many uses out of it because honestly, you really don't need a whole lot. I just like using a lot, but you don't need a lot. So I've used this a few times and I still have a nice size amount.
I might be going out on a limb here, but the girls that don't like silicones, I bet your favorite leave-in might not be better than this one because this one off rip feels good.
Ooh, and it got castor oil in it too. I didn't know that.
So far, y'all, our whole lineup has been like strengthening because we had that repair shampoo, we had that good protein moisture DC, and now we got this strengthen leave-in. So
you're right. I didn't even realize that. You're right.
Everything
is kind of like moisture protein balanced.
Yeah, and the good thing is, like, out of everything, especially with the treatment, sometimes y'all know how protein-based conditioners, even if it's not a protein treatment, if it's a protein-based conditioner, sometimes it make your hair feel hard. I didn't get none of that. And I told y'all I'm very critical of my hair. That treatment was amazing. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and watch y'all. I'm bald-headed.
Told y'all Faye was gonna say she bald headed about 11 times in this video.
I'm serious, because y'all gonna look at the footage. I'm just be sitting there like this. Ain't got nothing to do.
My hair is so moisturized, and I had no idea. Like, I heard this was good, but I ain't think it was gonna feel like this. I ain't even gonna lie.
I don't know, maybe I can add an essential oil or something to it, because it's like, it's stank. Like, it's stank. It's really bad. But anyway, now that we all have that applied, and so glad that my girl Denise liked it, we're going to be trying out the Talia YG Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Nutrition Hold Me Down jelly gel thing. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Faye has a video on this. I have a video on this. I think I did like a black owned something. And I included this in a curl combination. So I've never actually tried it with this leave-in conditioner. So I'm eager to see how it's going to work with this Carol's Daughter leave-in.
This is so freaking bomb. And I love the fact that they promote hold without it being super crunchy. So I'm going to put a little bit of gel on top, but you really don't have to, because it honestly does give you a good hold.
It makes your hair nice and shiny, and like the definition be on point. I will say that the texture is very like different. It kind of gives me a little bit of tug when I apply it. Like it doesn't give like slip, like it doesn't slide through my hair like a traditional gel, but it smells good and the hold is good. The definition is good. The shine is good. Like,
yeah, and the thing I do like, you do have to read the directions, because they will literally tell you finger style, like the tug on it, the way it puts that hold on, you cannot run a comb through it, but it feels good. And I love the fact that it's so scented. Maybe it'll drown out the funk of this leave-in.
Oh, I hope so. I hope so.
I do like this too. It's definitely giving me cream gel vibes. The hold is nice. The smell is great. So this is a product that I enjoy using too.
I can use it on its own, but I'm gonna put a touch of wet line on it, only because with my hair being shorter, I need firmer products just to let it last longer. Like, I can use it on its own, but I wouldn't get as much work. So I'm gonna put just like a teeny bit of wet line on top.
That makes sense, because I remember styling my hair every day when I had my TWH.
And the truth is, I'm tired.
Alexis, you using wet line too?
Yeah, I'm just gonna like kind of top it off. Like once I style it, I'm just gonna go in with like a prayer hand and just do like the slightest bit of wet line, just because wet line be crunchy. And I don't want ramen noodle hair.
So I have done a wash and go with this before, and I did top it off with wet line. So today I'm gonna do a twist and curl. Cause y'all know how long my wash and go be taking.
Yes, because you like the shingle. I told you that shingle one time, and I ain't never do it again.
But you saw my picture on Instagram. Like, it do give me definition when I shingle with wet line.
It looked really good, but girl, I ain't got the patience.
I am just upset. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it is clumping together so good.
Ooh,
Like, I'm just loving my hair right now.
It's got a little luster to it or whatever.
Them curls look good, Alexis.
They are.
I remember when I tried this before, like it gives me definition, but it's not like stuck to my head. Like, so it'll still give me like a fluffy kind of wash and go without it being like super frizzy.
The slip is really good, and y'all was talking about that tugging, and I'm not noticing the tugging, so maybe that leave-in is really helping it glide. Cause
definitely. For sure.
Yes, and the smell of this Talia Legit is helping that leave-in not to stink no more.
Thank God, because
it definitely covered that up.
I don't know why I do this, but I'm just going to mist my hair with some water. I don't know why I do that. I really don't. I guess to kind of reinforce all the product, and then I just kind of smooth. And then after that, I shake, but I'm not going to shake on camera because I love myself. Y'all know I've never topped anything with wet line. I've only used wet line like by itself. The definition and the shine is unmatched. I feel like I'm going to really like this combo. I still have volume too because I didn't go in like real heavy with the wet line. So I think this is going to be a hit.
I feel the same way. I feel like that combination of the jelly with the wet line, I'm getting hold and shine and style. And so it's like the Talia Legit did such a good job. I didn't have to go overboard with the wet line. Just put like a little bit on there. And I feel like this is going to be good because just like looking at how it's setting already, I feel like that's going to be a real good wash and go. So right now, everything we've used, I really do like it. I feel like this worked well together.
I feel like the combination was good. My hair feels good. It feel moisturized. I could finger detangle like through the whole process. So I'm liking the combination so far. I think the products we picked was real good.
You said it. I've been able to rake my fingers through my hair. The shampoo, the leave-in, the DC, the jelly, and the wet line. Like I haven't had to pull out my brush at all. Like,
I had my 3-row comb ready. And
make sure you check out their channel so you can see how their hair turned out and how this combination worked for them. I'm so glad they liked all of these products because, you know, this just further solidifies that I don't be lying all the time. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and send them some money because y'all be wanting them to review a lot of stuff.
All right, and we are back. Just you and me. Of course, being in the natural hair community, we all share our experiences with the products, but we don't literally share them at the same time. So that was a super unique experience, and I'm really grateful for it, and I had a blast. In case you haven't caught on, I loved every single product that we used this wash day. This combo, though, come on, the volume, the definition. I know that wet line is a cult favorite, but like I pull out wet line every now and again. That same jar of wet line that I have, I've had that for literal years, but I really need to pull wet line out a little more often. I won't use it as like my main wash and go product, but to top off something else, just as like a finisher type of gel. Love it. Be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Denise and Faye. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.